So that's where I've had this duality, where I really want to be as engaging and as enthusiastic and as excited and as joyful as I know that I can be, but I also want to be fucking real.
Okay, so let's do this. Let's demonstrate a double extreme between the side that you have more energy at first to be out there, it's like your outer persona, and then when I go like this, you say switch. Let's see you in the same situation feel what it's like with all the challenges of being real. Now, you be communicating to a group or a single person or what, so we can have it clear who it is you're talking to. So we can have that part be the part that doesn't change.
It's really audiences, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I would like.
Okay, perfect.
Yeah.
So this is an audience. You
Yeah.
are an audience, and so just letting yourself be as fun as you like. You sometimes wild and funny at the same time. Do you have any problem with being outrageous?
No, I think the more outrageous, like, the more comfortable
I was hoping you'd say that. So I happen to have with me my very own Jester's hat that I've worn for decades. That has gone through a lot of performances. Please put on my Jester's hat. And
oh my goodness.
this is a chance for you to be as silly. Actually, it looks good on
Why
you.
did I say yes to that? Can I have it like that?
So just let her rip for only about 20 seconds to a minute, having more fun than you've ever had in your life up to now. Audience is ready. Go!
I don't know if I can bring that, but what I really, really, really am excited to tell everybody is that you just have to get into yourself, and it really doesn't matter how fucking hard it is. The thing is, when you're really passionate about something, all you have to do is bring it out. And it doesn't matter if you end up like lying on the floor and totally like owning it from there. When you really own something, people can feel it on the inside.
Stop. And now come on into this side without the hat. And here, just being real, what is it here, because you shared this with me earlier, that's challenging for you? Because you were talking about being real here in an outrageous way. Now let's see where the challenge is about being real, speaking to the same audience, but from a place of where you actually have been feeling pulled back. Let's see what happens here. Go.